Hello everyone, welcome to IvyProSchool's YouTube channel. We had covered the CRUD operations in the previous video. Today we will understand the select statement in details. So basically the select statement is used to extract data from our database, and the result which we get is also in the form of a table. The simplest select query which we can write is select star from the table name. The star here means that it will fetch all the rows and all the columns from the table. Let us go to the MySQL workbench and try that. So here I have the database named as itemcust and the table is customers. So I will write select star from customers and then I will run it. So here we see that we are getting all the rows and columns. Mostly we would not want to fetch in the whole table. Rather, we would pull out only those data which is specific to our requirements. We can reduce the irrelevant data by reducing the number of columns. So how do we do that? We can mention the name of only those columns which we want separated by commas. And this statement will fetch only those columns from the table which we have specified. Let us see how can we do that. Let's say I only want to see the first name and the state from this table. So I will write select and then I will name the columns, the first name and the state from the table name, that is customers. And then I will run. So here we see that I'm only getting the first name and the state. That is, I'm only getting those columns which I have mentioned over here. In order to extract only those rows which are specific to our requirements, we will have to use the where clause. By the help of the where clause, we will put a limitation. Only those rows will be extracted which satisfies the condition specified by us. Let us try it. Let's say we want to display only those rows where the state is Arizona. So we will write select star from customers and now we'll run this. So we are getting only those records where the state is Arizona. Let's take another example. So we will display only those customer IDs and customer name where the customer ID is greater than 10,400. So select the customer ID, first name from customers where the customer ID is greater than 10,400. So we're getting only those names where the customer ID is greater than 10,400. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.